Hey Glam fam! Welcome to all my newcomers. Today's video is an unboxing from BH Cosmetics. I ordered a bunch of stuff, so I'm excited to show you ladies what I got. So, first off, presents! Yes! Let's go ahead and open everything up here. I ordered 2 palettes and a brush set, and then they also gave me a free gift, so let's see what that is. So first, when you open the box, you get like this cool little promotion. It talks about their new palettes started coming out, the Hanging in Hawaii, the Love in London, and the Blushing in Bali. You guys can take a look at that. This is not a promotion video. I just order my stuff from there, and this is what they gave me, so I figured I'd show you what's in the box. So next, it is a copy of everything that I received. No need to look at that. But let's get to the fun stuff. Bam. I don't know if this was like a gift or if this is what they package stuff in. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a makeup bag or something. But it's pretty nice. No, it's not a makeup bag because it's like bubble wrap on the inside. So anyways, so the 2 palettes that I got are the Aurora Lights. Aurora Lights. I'm sorry. Yes. I saw this and I'm really interested in like these shimmer palettes because I don't have that many. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the stuff that they come with. You can see all of the palettes. Yes, these colors are really nice. I'm super excited to get started with these. Like, so they have the ombre white, they have a gold, they have a deeper gold, rose gold, burgundy, darker burgundy, they have a bluish green. So I'm pretty excited for all of these. Like, already, sorry about that. Already, like, these colors look fabulous. Go ahead and try one out. Let's see. Let's try this. Okay, so we're gonna try out the 24K. I'm just dropping everything today. All right. The 24K is this one right here. It's that gold. Oh, and these are super soft too. Oh yes. Can you guys see that? Moving on. Anyways, yes, do you see that? That is such a nice gold. Well, you can't really see it on my skin tone. Let's try a different color because that kind of blends in with my skin. Let's try this. We're gonna go with the green, and it's called Glowing. Oh yeah, this is so nice. Like, it's like a cream as opposed to like a loose powder. And that one is a little better. So with these ones, I know with BH Cosmetics, their palettes, it takes a lot of work to get the color out. So stamping works very well with their palettes. Otherwise, you'll be there all day trying to get color out of your brush. But they're really cheap, so that's why I like using them. So, you know, you pay for what you get. Okay, so the next palette, this is Supernova. And this one is a 18 color baked eyeshadow palette. The Aurora Lights was also an 18 color baked palette. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what this palette looks like because I don't remember. Alright. Okay. And these colors are a little similar. These are more of the, I'm gonna say earth tones. Aurora Lights was really bright, and then this palette is like kind of the darker, mysterious kind. Oh, and they're named after the Zodiac signs. So let's see, can you guys see that? I don't want to, there we go. I don't want the light to be flashing in you guys' face. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is super nice. And so I really like this palette because it has that rich black, and I need a black. I should probably buy a black like separate since I use it so often. So let's try, we're gonna go with Neutron. Neutron is this one right here. And we're gonna use a different finger for that one. Can you guys see that? It's kind of like, all these are kind of metallic. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys can't really see that. Let's see. It's this one up here. It's pretty nice. All of these are shimmers and highly pigmented. And then I got the Aurora Lights brush set. I really only needed like 2 brushes, but there's no point of me buying 2 brushes separately when I can just get a whole set, you know? Especially if their brushes are like $5 each. Not BH Cosmetics in general, but other places. I'm dropping everything. So it also came with like this little pack. I really like this. I really love all the colors in this. It reminds me of the Northern Lights, which I feel like they were trying to go for. But, you know. So yes, this was a pack of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this is a pack of 10. And it comes with foundation brushes, your eyeshadow brushes, your blending brushes, cut crease brushes, and things like that. I really only wanted, let me show you what they look like. So, these are all of the brushes right here. Let me just open one. And I think these brushes are really soft. I think they'll be really great for blending, this one particularly. And then this is one of the bigger ones. Oh, hold on. Yeah, this is one of the bigger ones. And this is the number 2. You can see it right there. I probably won't use all of these brushes just because I have a lot already similar, like this one right here. This would be like a foundation brush. This is the number 1. But I don't really use brushes for my foundation. I use a beauty blender, and then I use a round brush. Not something like this, something a little bit flatter. But anyways, yes. So this is what I paid for. Those are my brushes, my 2 palettes, and then I got something in the gift. Oh, I also bought a glitter glue base booster. So if you've seen some of my other videos, like the Dragon Ball Z look and my monochromatic red one, when I apply my glitter to like do an eyeliner, like how this one is, I didn't use it for this look in particular, but like for the Dragon Ball Z look, I used loose glitter with lip gloss because I didn't have like a glitter glue. So this one was on sale. Actually, everything that I got was on sale actually. This was on sale for about $5, and this is a better adhesive than lip gloss because lip gloss is like really sticky. I know you want it to be sticky, but it's a pain in the butt to take off when I wash my face at night. So that's why I want to go with something a little bit different to see if I'm gonna have the same issue trying to wash this off as I do with my lip gloss. So yes, this was on sale for $5. The brushes were on sale for I think $9. Both of the palettes were on sale for $9, I believe. So, and they're usually like I think $20. So that was a steal for me. And then they gave me a free gift because my total purchase was over $35. So I got free shipping and I got a free gift. This thing right here. Now this looks like a pack of loose glitters. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yes, it's a 3-pack glitter set with a little purse and this little fuzzy ball thing. So this is the purse. Super cute. Matches with my background. And inside are their glitter sets. The pack of 3 looks like I have a rose gold, a gold, and a black, I think. Let me just take everything out of the pack and then I'll show you them individually. Okay, this is, so then we have this one right here. You guys can't really see the color. Can you see that? Oh, that's kind of cool. This is, oh, thought I can open it up and show you what color this is. But this is a warm espresso, so it's not a black, it's actually a brown. Which is cool because I don't have a brown. Then we have this rose gold right here. Kind of looks orange. Yes, this is a rose gold called Lit. It's lit. And then the last one is a gold. It's a gold glitter, and it's called Gold Rush. I'm not sure how much these are regular price, but yeah, that's my BH Cosmetics haul. Again, just to go over everything, we have our Aurora Lights palette. These are the vibrant colors. Then we have the Supernova ones, the Supernova palette. These are the darker colors. Not as vibrant, but still very pigmented. We have our 10-piece brush set with the little pack. You can never have too many brushes. Eventually, I want to get to the point where each color has its own brush. Is that doing too much? A little bit. Whatever. And then we have our glitter base booster. And then we have our 3 loose glitters. So yes, that concludes everything. I'm really excited to start using all of these products. If you guys want to check out the BH Cosmetics website, I will drop a link in the description below. And if you like this look, this is a Disney inspired look by Esmeralda. I'll leave the link to that in the description as well. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.